Use of and. And is used to connect two words or sentences. Bucket, mug. Bucket and mug. Pencil, eraser. Pencil and eraser. Hen, egg. Hen and egg. Lock, key. Lock and key.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.